Peace and blessings. Starting from tomorrow, Monday, through till Friday, 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Melbourne time, we will be catching up online, discussing how to lead through adversity, navigating leadership through dysfunctional marriage and after divorce. Day 1, we will be covering 5 major areas to focus on for building a stronger connection. Day 2, know what sabotages you from creating the loving relationship you desire. Day 3, understanding your love blueprint and your operating system. Day 4, what you need to restore to build the relationship of your dream. And day 5, Friday, how to get ready for receiving the precious gift that you have been waiting for. So I can't wait to see you there. Tomorrow, 8 p.m.